Schmincke Supergranulating Colors consists of two granulating pigments that look very harmonious together and allow to create very beautiful and unique watercolor washes. There are 8 series in the line of 40 Schmincke Supergranulating paints, available in 15 ml tubes, separately and in set, also in half pan. Schmincke Supergranulating paints are perfect for different types of landscapes, for mountains, the sea, for the grass, for the stones, for the earth, for everything that is natural and has its own texture. You can visibly see 2 different color groups in one paint, and it looks gorgeous. You don't need to do anything, you just put water, you just have the textures paper and it paints on your own. I use Schmincke Supergranulating paints for creating special effects, and it's very easy and very beautiful to create these type of washes that you cannot control totally with these supergranulating paints. It's important to have lots of water and very structured paper to paint with supergranulating paints, because the rougher the texture of the paper is and more water you have, the better effect you have. They can also be combined with the standard assortment to create the wash that you want to create. Like all the HORADAM products, supergranulating paints by Schmincke are super good and excellent in the terms of life partners and brilliance. They all have life partners 4 or 5 stars. It is excellent. These 40 Schmincke Supergranulating paints are perfect add-ons, and Schmincke is 100% quality.